Welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone, where we bring you the best tips and recipes for managing diabetes without compromising on taste. Today we have something super exciting for you, the top 10 diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes that will kickstart your day the right way. First up, we have avocado and egg toast, packed with healthy fats and protein. This breakfast will keep your blood sugar levels stable and keep you feeling full longer. Next, try a Greek yogurt parfait. Use unsweetened Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts for a perfect blend of protein, fiber, and flavor. Number 3. Chia seed pudding is another fantastic option. Mix chia seeds with almond milk. Let it sit overnight and top with your favorite fruits in the morning. Number 4. A vegetable omelette is a great way to get in some morning veggies. Use egg whites for a lower calorie option and add spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Number 5. Overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings. Combine rolled oats with almond milk and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, add some nuts and seeds for extra crunch. Number 6. Smoothie bowls are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Blend spinach, avocado, and a handful of berries and top with chia seeds and coconut flakes. Number 7. Cottage cheese with fruit is a quick and easy option. Choose low-fat cottage cheese and pair it with fruits like berries or peaches. Number 8. Almond flour pancakes are a low-carb alternative to traditional pancakes. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt and fresh berries. Number 9. Quinoa breakfast bowls are rich in protein and fiber. Cook quinoa, add some sautéed veggies, and top with a poached egg for a hearty breakfast. Lastly, we have a berry and spinach smoothie. Blend spinach, a handful of mixed berries, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. There you have it, our top 10 diabetes-friendly breakfast recipes. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes and tips from Zero Diabetes Zone. See you next time.